Hey there, Neil Oates Jr. here, bringing the most up-to-date, relevant, accurate information that you need and want about the luxury market here in South Florida. In this quick video, we're going to share some numbers and trends that we're seeing in the greater Fort Lauderdale area, down in Miami, and we're going to jump to our neighbors to the north up in Palm Beach to let you know what's happening, what we're seeing. Now, all of these numbers are for single family detached properties. If you want more information on any of the market areas, not only here in South Florida, but anywhere around the country, be sure to put that in the comment section. We can get that information to you relatively quickly. So you might want to know how condos are doing in the Chicago area. Trust me, we can get that information to you. But here we go. Let's go ahead and dive into these single family home stats here in Broward County to begin with. Now, in most of the South Florida markets, we are seeing that the markets are favoring sellers. Probably no surprise in the general marketplace, but it's still the same in the luxury niche. So Broward County, the sales floor or the bottom floor for the benchmark price is right at $700,000 for single family homes. There is a sales ratio of 61%, which means yes, sellers are getting what they're asking for. It is favoring sellers. So let's look at by the numbers. The total number of real buyers for the month of March for properties that are single family homes over the $700,000 price range was 395 compared to March of 2020 where there were 189. So you can see the trends increasing and favoring sellers there. Sales price, median sales price 1.08 million with a median days on market of, drum roll, only 29 days in the month of March for 2021 compared to 81 days a year prior. And then the median list price to sales price ratio that sellers are getting for single family homes in Broward County, 97.25%. The most active price band in the month of March was 700,000 to 750,000 minus a buck, where we're seeing a lot of turnover and a lot of activity in that price band for single family homes. The median days on market as a whole, 29 days as previously mentioned. Now, this is a seller's market, but that does not mean that there are not opportunities for buyers. What I'm going to encourage you as a luxury buyer to do is to do your homework. Go ahead and see what are the sellers looking for. Maybe it's going to be some type of creative financing or a time frame for a move. Maybe there are going to be exclusions that the seller is looking for. So we know that in a market like this, for buyers, we have to be more flexible. So let's go down south to Miami-Dade County and see what the single family luxury home market is doing there. In March of this year, we saw that the luxury benchmark price did go to $650,000. That means that it decreased compared to the year, the month prior in February. And why is that? You'll see here in a moment. Months or days on market, 78 days was a median market stay for a luxury single family home property in Miami. The sales price was slightly lower than in Broward County at 1.05 million compared to the 1.08 million. Sales price to list price ratio 96.04%, and we saw a number of real buyers increase to 296 compared to 83 the prior year in the same time frame. The same price band, 750,000 to 799,000, is going to be very active, the most active for the for Miami-Dade counties. Now, Palm Beach, buckle up, get ready, because here's where things get exciting and interesting, whether you are buying or selling. The luxury benchmark Palm Beach was $1 million compared to the $650 in Miami-Dade, the $700 in Broward County. $1 million was a luxury benchmark price for Palm Beach County. Sales ratio of 77%, which is very favorable for the sellers in that market area. The number of real buyers in March of this year, although the total amount isn't staggering, the increase is, because I don't want us to forget the benchmark price there is significantly higher than in Miami-Dade or Broward County. So the number of real buyers in March for 2021 was 76. That is up 204% year over year, where in March of 2020, the number of real buyers hovered at 25. Now, median sales price, Palm Beach County, $3.2 million compared to the $1.05 Miami-Dade, $1.08 in Broward County. Now we start to see the number of transactions, why it's so important, and why there could be, relative to the Miami-Dade or Broward, why that 76 in Palm Beach is so impressive. Median days on market, Palm Beach, even though the buyers were saying, okay, we're willing to spend this money, the median days on market 70 days. So we're seeing a lot of the sellers and buyers coming to the terms saying, yes, let's get these properties off the market. And then the list price to sales price ratio, 96.88%. So sellers are being reasonable in the positioning of the property. Buyers are coming in and say, we know that we have to make strong offers in order for this property, this home, to become mine. And the most active price band, very different from Miami-Dade and Broward. We're not in the 700,000s, not at all. We're in the 5 million to 6 million price band for the most active price band for Palm Beach County. So that's going to do it for this video for single family homes in the luxury niche, Palm Beach, Miami-Dade, and Broward counties. If you like this video, I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you can get the most accurate, relevant information first. And I'm going to encourage you to share the video, like the video, comment, let us know what market areas you want information on. And until the next time I see you or you see me, don't be average, be world renowned. Take care.